Join us on an immersive journey to explore Novabot. With its panoramic HD camera and NovaVision system, Novabot is easy to set up. With just a tap on your phone, it's ready to go. No perimeter cables are needed. Novabot sets up virtual boundaries, seamlessly navigating any shaped lawn. With CoreMind self-planning algorithms, Novabot automatically mows your lawn for a uniform, parallel, and manicured look. Edges are cut, fences are detected and avoided. A high-capacity battery and a 5-TOPS computing chip have made Novabot a tough machine for top performance. Easy to adjust cutting height, Novabot can mow areas of your lawn at different heights based on lawn conditions. Its powerful brushless motor and off-road tires deal with any tough terrain and easily climb 23.5-degree slopes without compromising performance, even on wet grass. Novabot moves freely between separate lawn areas. Aura technology quickly detects obstacles ahead of time and plans its avoidance path. Novabot immediately detects children, pets, and even Rubik's Cubes. It automatically stops when people approach it. Novabot is so quiet you won't even notice its presence. When it's time to recharge, Novabot returns to its dock and then picks up mowing where it left off. Waterproof and washable, Novabot cleanup is a cinch. And when it starts to rain or the mowing is done, Novabot heads back home to its dock. Novabot's unique surface-level camera provides surveillance in your yard with security monitoring.
Pilot the Novabot to patrol the backyard.
Guard your yard and receive photo alerts if an intruder enters your yard when you're asleep or away. Pair it with other smart home devices. Novabot is built to revolutionize lawn care. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey with Novabot.